Hey you guys, thank you for visiting us at Christopher Anthony's Premium Raw Virgin Hair. Just want to give you a little snippet. This is our Indian straight hair. Looks like body wave, I know. But the Indian straight hair is usually a little silkier. Again, I'm just showing you guys this video because sometimes we get like a straighter hair. But for the most part, this is what the hair looks like. So when you see our pictures and they look like, they have a little wave to it, it's actually the straight hair. I kind of almost just want to call the hair just Indian hair because all the patterns are so similar. But yeah, so this is our Indian straight. Has a little bounce to it, but it flat irons really well. So if you want like a super straight, you just have to, flat iron. All of our hair will flat iron really well. I wouldn't get like the curly hair to flat iron, but anyway. I just be rambling. But this is our straights. I just want to show you guys the straight hair. Every now and then we get like a silkier straight. And when I get that next time, I'll do a little video. But we're not always guaranteed to have that. So I don't want you guys to be misled. So this is your best bet. When you order straight hair, this is what you're going to be getting. Something similar to this. If ever you want something like super straight, just kind of send us an email once you place your order. Like I ordered, straight hair. And I really want the straightest you could provide me. So we'll do something like that. Love you guys.